right, let's look at the next one. You're going to do an example of multiplying a number greater than 1 by a mixed number. So an example for you would be 4 times a mixed number. So let's do 2.5. Okay, so a number greater than 1 multiplied by a mixed number. So we're going to do 2.5. We need to draw a picture, a model to represent this. So I need 4 groups of 2.5. So okay, so 2.5. Okay, so there's one group of 2.5. There's 3 groups of 2.5. I'm sorry, 2 groups of 2.5. There's 3 groups of 2.5 and 4 groups of 2.5. Group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. 4 groups of 2.5. Okay, so in each of these circles, we've got 2.5 represented. 4 groups of 2.5. Okay, and so let's figure out what the answer is. Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 holes, 8 circles completely shaded in, 8, 9, 10. So I've got a total, because if you put these halves together, these halves can go together and these halves can go together. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4 times 2.5 is 10. I've got 10 total, 10 halves total. Okay, so my explanation now would be that it would actually be kind of the same thing as here. The product is larger than the number I multiplied it by. So 10 is larger than the number I multiplied it by because the number I multiplied it by is a mixed number, which is greater than 1. So I would kind of write the same thing here, but instead of improper fraction, I would change it to a mixed number. So the product is larger than the number I multiplied it by because the number I multiplied it by is a mixed number which is greater than 1. Okay? So very similar to this example up here, but instead of multiplying it by an improper fraction, we multiplied it by a mixed number. And when we multiply a number by a mixed number, our product is going to be bigger than the number we multiplied it by because this mixed number is greater than 1. And any number that is multiplied by a number that is greater than 1 is going to have a bigger product. Okay?